disease. Warts are non-cancerous benign skin growth that develop on different parts of the body and come in various forms. They are caused by viruses. Warts are contagious and transmitted by touch. They are very common. Most people will have once at their life. Although they can affect people at any age, warts are more common among children and teenagers. Most warts are harmless and will go away on their own within a few weeks or months, but they can bother some and unattractive, and some people feel ashamed. There are a number of different treatments that can make warts go away more quickly, but they don't always work. Viral warts aren't the same as senile warts. Seborrheic keratosis, which usually first appear in older age and aren't contagious. Senile warts are also quite harmless but permanent. This information is about viral warts only. Common warts are small, grainy skin growths that occur most often on your fingers or hands, rough to touch. Common warts also often feature a pattern of tiny black dots, which are small clotted blood vessels. Common warts are caused by a virus. It can take a wart as long as 2 to 6 months to develop after your skin has been exposed to the virus. Prevalence. Warts are very common, especially among children and teenagers. Various studies have shown that 33% of children and teenagers have warts. They are estimated to be much less common in the other age groups, affecting only 3 to 5% of adults. What causes warts? Common warts are caused by the human papillomavirus. The virus is quite common and has more than 150 types, but only a few cause warts on your hands. Some strains of HPV are acquired through sexual contact. Most forms, however, are spread by casual skin contact or through shared objects such as towel or washcloths. This virus usually spread through breaks in your skin, such as hangnail or a scrap. Biting your nails also cause warts to spread on your fingertips and around your nails. Each person's immune system responds to the HPV virus differently, so not everyone who comes in contact with HPV develops warts. Risk factors. Some people are at great risk of developing warts. They include people who work with raw meat, for example, at butcher's shop or slaughterhouse. Children and teenagers who often use communal showers, for instance, after sports or at swimming pool. People with family members who have warts. School children who have many classmates with warts. People who have a weakened immune system, especially adults and children who have an organ transplant or who have a serious disease like cancer or AIDS, and people with atopic diseases like eczema. The viruses multiply in the skin. If someone had a weakened immune system, their body isn't always able to successfully fight them off. Other people have a great risk of getting warts because they have more frequent contact with the viruses. Symptoms. Common warts usually occur on your fingers or hands and may be small, fleshy, grainy bumps, flesh colored white, pink or tan, rough to touch, sprinkled with black pinpoints which are small clotted blood vessels. Warts may appear alone or in groups, which may then cover large areas of skin. The main types of warts include plantar warts, common warts, flat warts and mosaic warts, filiform warts and genital warts. These are the types of warts. We will deal with the prevention and treatment of warts in the upcoming video. Thank you.